Sino mas duck sa inyong dalawa? Duck is guwapo in Tagalog. Can you answer that?
Ang sarap-sarap.
Kumusta sa inyong mga cancer? Ako po si Travis Kraft at handa na ba kayo dandang ang memes ngayong linggo kasama si PaoLUL.
Yes, ako po si mga kaza. Nandito ngayon si Mr. Travis Kraft, the Adobong Manok expert, our local lover of Filipino culture. So ngayon dadaanan natin ang mga memes ng Pinas. Syempre, kasama si Mr. Travis.
Hi guys! Greetings mga taga-subaybay. Syempre, ako po si Travis Kraft. Ako ay manok expert at syempre, ako ay Tito New. I'm Tito Travis. And you guys know that. You guys have been sending me all that love lately.
Ikaw ang tito ng Pinas. Can I call you Tito, Travis?
Syempre. That's the problem with this Filipino internet. This happens quite a bit.
Yeah.
Let's look at this meme. Travis Kraft exists. Literally, all manok in 5-mile radius. They're off to the races.
Is adobo your favorite Filipino food?
Adobo at pusit at syempre dinuguan.
Do you who taught you to cook adobo?
Just myself. I learned myself. Trial and error. Talino ako, so para sa akin, walang problema.
From 1 to 10, how good are you with Tagalog?
Well, nagsasalita ako ng Tagalog, pero syempre, hindi ako isang native speaker, so I'm not as good as you.
No, because I'm nose bleeding as well, so maybe we can have a 50-50. We can try to help each other hanggang nagsasalita tayo.
Pag naaway kayo ni tatay,
I'm gonna make adobo out of you.
and what a magandang ibon yon. That bird is so malaki at malakas, perfect whether you're gonna go to the cockfight or make Adobong Manok.
Kailan ka nandyan? When were you there?
It was a few years ago. We did this for a government agency called PIA, Philippine Information Agency.
They let you walk around?
Well, Filipinos are so accommodating, and that's what I love about them so much. They're so friendly. There's not many places I could live outside the United States, but the Philippines, it's top of the crop.
You are too. Sunod!
Sunod! Oh my goodness. When you see a foreigner buying some ingredients for adobo, that looks just like me. It's like I'm looking into a mirror right now. I'm getting hungry just looking at myself.
Ang sarap-sarap.
Gutom ba kami sa'yo, okay?
Okay, this is a good one. Mga babaeng amoy putok. Ano ba yan? Sobrang mahal. Mga babaeng amoy putok. Milk tea. I don't think I've had it yet, but if any of the viewers want to treat me, you'll have to take me out for some.
Okay, sure, no problem. You'll have all the milk tea you want.
Sunod!
Do you know this?
I'm not sure who this guy is. I've seen the meme.
It's Ricardo. I think it's an dancer.
You know, see Ricardo. He looks Puerto Rican or something.
Yeah.
Or so Ricardo morphed into me. Well, I would say that's quite an improvement. Nani? Chuckles, I'm in danger. Alam mo yan, bird. I'm gonna get you.
Worth dying for that food. From FRNZVRGS.
Hi, ako po si Travis Kraft. Welcome sa kusina.
You're thinner now.
Thinner now? I don't think I am. I think my hair is just
Ayan,
more slicked back.
handa na ang Adobong Manok. Kainin na.
Yes.
It's the old Adobong Manok
Ang
diet.
sarap-sarap. Ang sarap-sarap. Ang sarap-sarap.
You see the effort he had to go through.
I'm impressed. Salamat for all the hard work.
Hi, ako po si Travis Kraft.
Hey!
Ako po
Welcome
si
sa
Travis
kusina
Kraft.
ko.
Welcome sa kusina ko.
Ngayong magluluto
Ngayong
tayo
magluluto
ng
tayo
Adobong
ng
Manok.
Adobong Manok.
Kailangan natin ng
Kailangan natin
bawang
na.
at
See, I
sibuyas,
can almost sing with that. I
dahon
like
ng
how you put the
mantika,
lyrics.
paanitin ang kawali.
Waiting for the bass drop.
Tapos sibuyas. Lagyan ng konting mantika. Ilagay ang bawang hanggang maging golden brown. Ihalo ang
Hanggang
sibuyas.
maging golden brown.
Tapos ilagay ang manok. Sangkutsahin.
Sangkutsahin.
Ilagay ang dahon ng laurel. Ilagay ang suka at toyo. Haluin at takpan. Patayin ang kawan. Lagyan ng konting paminta.
Oh, here's the drum.
Handa na ang Adobong Manok. Kainin na.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ungaling Mo, French Vargas. Anytime anyone puts in that much work into something, especially a tribute to me, I got to give you a high five, man.
Yeah.
I give it a 10 because he featured such a good-looking guy.
Yep, that's 10 points already.
That's 10 points. All right, great job. I appreciate it. Batugan, palumunin, at walang silbi ka, pasabahay.
Do you know that?
I love the woman in the background. You're not Tamad, are you?
Nah, sa edit ko lang mababawi in the edit.
Masipag at syaga.
Alam mo ba yung nakasulat sa baba? Internet PLDT. Pinapaya mo kami kay Tito Travis kaya pa kami balik sa tawag. PLDT, pinapaya mo tayo kay Tito Travis. Oh, yeah, hello?
You freeze, and then like about 10 seconds later, it freezes. I'm getting like a series of still shots. Taku.
Otaku? Do you know what otaku means?
Why don't you explain it to the audience?
No, otaku is mahilig sila sa anime. They like anime.
Konnichiwa to our animated fans. When you're a foreigner that makes videos about Filipino culture, but edgy peeps made you a laughing material. Well, I'm just happy that people are having so much fun with it. That's what it's there for.
Thank you. I mean, there's so many sensitive people on the internet. Like they just want to ruin something so beautiful. So at least coming from you, you don't have any hard feelings.
Is my manok beautiful?
You and your manok.
We got Deep Web Enigma. Then we have Ako. Tapos Manny Pacquiao and his laban against the wherever that guy was from. And then is that gay Duterte?
You know him.
Yeah, the gay Duterte meme. Nasang ang sabaw. Is it Geisler, Baron Geisler?
Yeah, he's a good actor. Too good.
I'm not sure who the guy with the face mask is.
That's Alcacid.
Oh, I've been on a few shows with him. He Hole in the Wall. I think he pushed me into the pool. There's a comedy skit.
Is it a bubblegum?
No, I've been on Bubble Gang too with I did Boy Pickup with him on Bubble Gang.
Yeah, I saw that.
Okay,
I'll put a short clip of that here. Okay.
Yeah. So I was on Hole in the Wall. I did a comedy skit with him and Venus Raj, and I was on Bubble Gang with him. And then we have Ang Provinciano, right? Coco Martin. That's my favorite show. No, I'm just joking. I watch it religiously. What's his name? The Charisse turned whatever.
Charisse?
Is that Charisse?
It's claro.
Biro. The girl that got ghosted, right?
No, she's the other party, I think.
Oh, she's the one.
Allegedly.
And then we have anime. I'm not sure which one that is. Konnichiwa. And then we have the Chinese memes with the territory. Do I have some words about that?
Yeah,
I'm going to get in more trouble with China than I already am. I did a couple years ago, I did a video reviewing one of their airlines, and now every day I have all these angry Chinese people leaving comments.
What?
I think they're actually paid by the government in China, because the government does hire people to go and combat negative things that other people are saying. But last year I was a little worried about flying through China, because the year before I did a video, and like I said, I'm pretty sure they've seen it.
But it's still up. Is the video still up?
It's still up. China Southern Review. Me and my wife 2 years ago, we got stuck in China for a day because of airline delays, but we actually had a lot of fun. But the airline is not so great.
And here, I think I have to explain this. The next one.
Explain this one to me. I haven't.
Uso kasi ngayon na nagsusulat, they write on the blackboard with hugot lines, heartbroken lines. The kids of today in the Philippines, instead of studying, they do that.
Sunod!
Yung natutulog ka na mahimbing sa kwarto, tapos biglang pumasok ang lasing mong tito. Hindi ko na sasabihin na hindi pampamilya yung nasa baba. You know, when the uncle is not busy, you know, when he had a few drinks, and bad things happen. Okay, next. I don't want to talk anymore.
Is that Minecraft?
Have you played Minecraft?
No, I've been too busy with my baby. I've been working at making them all that time. I've been busy with that. No, I'm just joking. I'm being a lot.
Oh, this.
Oh, yeah, I like this one.
I want some context here, Tito Travis.
I saw a funny comment about this one earlier today. I'm worried about screwing it up. The original author, someone commented on this. He protect, he attack, and she's close to his manak. Oh, that was a while ago. That's in Batangas. We did a video shoot. It was a lot of fun. This is before I was married, though. So
Disclaimer.
my wife was actually there at the shoot, though, while this was happening.
You know Careless Whisper?
Yeah. Yung palagi kang na re-erect sa crush mo dahil pangit at creepy ka. Me. Panahon na para magbago.
This is from Waldo Candaza.
Choose your destiny.
Oh, there you are. The bottom right.
Manok.
Fight.
Hello, friend. Would you like some Filipino food?
Filipino food? That stuff is garbage. I wouldn't feed it to my dog.
Bawiin mo yan!
What are you gonna do about it?
Papatayin kita!
Finish him.
Ring.
Yes. Ayun po.
Ang sarap.
Yes, you win.
Fatality.
Yes. Itong aking paboritong meme so far. I really like. Of course, because I shot that. But yeah, that's really. I don't know what I was thinking when I made that.
Who was that? Who was the guy you were with?
It was just a guy I knew in Los Angeles.
What did you use for the blood?
I had to go on YouTube and watch a tutorial on how to make fake blood. So I went through a lot of effort for that.
Did you use that same blood for dinuguan?
No, that was real. The blood for dinuguan was real.
My Englishing is I don't want.
Wag kang nosebleed, okay? Oh, I've seen this one. This is a good one. Yung maganda siya, pero madami na nakagalaw sa kanya. Kawawa naman ang gulay na to, di na fresh. Have you experienced that before?
Na unti lang ang babae lumalapit sa akin. Only a few girls. This.
Oh,
Do you know the reference to this? It's from Timothy Lizardo.
I haven't seen the original picture, but I like it.
Dito pampamilya, ano ba, Timothy?
You can explain that one to me.
It's from very not family-friendly site.
Okay, that's why I don't know it.
Yeah, you're a family-friendly Tito. Thank you. I want ads.
I've seen this one. A lot of people. You might need some context on this one. Personally, I think this one's hilarious. This is from one of my videos. This is literally me walking down EDSA. This is something that for some reason, a lot of Americans, they're either very offended by it because I don't know if you know American culture. Mm-hmm. What the flag that he has on his shirt, it's very taboo in our culture.
It's the Nazi flag, right?
Yeah, it's a Nazi flag. And people these days in America, they're very easily offended and stuff. But I see people wearing these shirts and stuff all over here, but this one's hilarious. Yeah, this is right on EDSA. And a lot of Americans, when they see this one, because this one goes around the U.S. too, people are either offended or they're just very confused. And I see people saying, why is a black guy wearing a Nazi shirt? People don't even realize this guy's Filipino. They just think
don't
he's
know
some
the context. Yeah, they just react to it.
That's... I love the look on this guy's face as I pass by.
Di niya alam. There's a famous Tito. From Charity.
Oh!
This is from one of my pictures.
I've seen that one earlier. I like that one. I'm gonna post that one. May follower ko that's so famous. Oh my goodness, this one. Sangkuchahin na manak. I would say that guy is doing a more than ample job of it.
Gusto ko na maging manok. Okay, next.
Sunod. Oh, okay. I like it.
From Arenium. Do you know Dante Gulapa?
No. Can you enlighten me on who he is?
Siya ang pambansang agila, the Philippine eagle.
He's literally the eagle? There's literally an eagle.
Yeah, he's flying like that.
Ang pambansang igila.
Here we go.
Igila. Oh my goodness, I like his outfit. I think I've seen a meme of this guy's body over me.
Yeah, that's why he's the eagle. He's doing this eagle weird.
Maybe I should recreate this one.
Yeah, you'll be the Adobong eagle.
Pambansan Manok. Rare painting of American soldier who is ready to capture Emiliano Aguinaldo. I like it. Nice job of the painting there over me.
That's effort. Effort for the catchers. Thank you, Arale.
I like that one. That one's very original.
Buti ka pa original. Next one from Leonardo.
I gotta get the hair down.
Bang, yeah. San
Sa
Kuche.
Kuchihin ang Manok.
This is from Four of Spades. They're a famous band. But this guy is not in the band anymore.
I thought it was Orange and Lemons.
No.
Sunod.
近づかなきゃてめえをぶちのめせないんでな
It's an anime again, so you have to say the magic word.
Konnichiwa! Nani? We've kind of morphed into each other there.
You have the sando in my glasses. Thank you, Tender Juicy.
Actually, next I'm gonna cosplay Bruce Lee with my son and my wife. Seriously, we're gonna wear Bruce Lee jumpsuits.
Abangan namin yan. Yung nag-post ka ng quality content na vid pero na-demonetize, yawa naman ang buhay natin. You've posted recently about demonetizations on YouTube.
Yeah, it's been crazy. Anytime there's anything good at all or intelligent, it's not a. YouTube has become a place that they don't want people to have intelligent conversations or say anything even remotely edgy. It's really sad after being on YouTube since 2006 or 2007. Yeah.
They've morphed you. But you're more handsome than Tito Dante, but Tito Dante is more cute. Don't worry.
That's me after eating at Vikings buffet. That's what I look like.
A little context to Tito, please. What's this?
They want the Manok. I'm actually gonna have a longer version of this coming out, but this is funny. I uploaded this to my Facebook like a week ago.
Is this an old video?
No, it's new. It'll be airing in August on ABS-CBN.
Oh, a teaser from Tito Travis. I thought it was an old video because most of your videos we see are old. So this a new
No, this is from a show. It hasn't come out yet. It's a brand new show. But I've only shot 2 scenes so far, so I don't really fully know what I'm going to be doing. I don't know that they have a script for my character yet, but they just I'm going to be a good guy on the show, but I don't know exactly what I'm doing. I'm a rich South African business owner on the show. But like I said, I've only shot 2 scenes. This is one of them.
You look so confused.
Well, in this scene, actually, I don't know if I'm supposed to give away too much, but in this particular scene, the one girl really wants me, and Maha, she's a little hesitant.
Yeah.
She has some apprehension. You can see this girl's
Yeah.
flirtatious. So the one girl wants me. I don't want her. I want Maha. But
I love triangle.
Maha has some apprehension, so I don't know what's going to become of that. Sunod!
Oh, it's a Tito. It's a Tito meme again. Okay, let's skip through that. From Gewon.
I posted this one on my YouTube community.
Oh, nice. You have your chef hat and my Volvo hat.
Yeah.
He's here. Can you see him? Yay! He's your Tito!
PaoLUL. Adobong Manok, flavored with mocha frappuccino. I like it. Whoever did this, that's top-notch quality. They should be employed as a graphic designer.
Ang sarap sarap.
From Daniel Sanchez.
Okay, Daniel Sanchez.
Bakit po ninyo naisipang sa Pilipinas manatili at ano po ang nagustuhan ninyo sa kulturang Pilipino?
Just the people are so friendly, and it's just such a fun place to be so friendly. There's not many places I could live, but in fact, I have a book that teaches other people. It's available for sale on Amazon. Teaches everyone that wants to move to the Philippines, this is a guide that will make their lives a lot easier. All these people want to know how can I do what you did? How can I move to the Philippines? All these Americans and Europeans. So
They want
wrote
some
a guide.
tips. Yeah.
Yeah, I wrote a guide to make it easier for them. Okay, sunod.
Mr. Cranel, Tito Travis, paanong paraan kayo natuto mag-Tagalog?
At first, CDs, you listen to a phrase and then you repeat, like they'll say, "How are you? Kamusta po kayo?" And they'll say, "Good day. Magandang araw. Where is the market? Nasaan ang palengke?" Yeah, like that. So that was in the beginning. Tapos, just self-study after that. My wife is a guru, pero her specialty is English. She worked at ABS-CBN for many years, and then after that, she became an English teacher at a university.
So you have the best teacher just beside you, your wife.
Yes.
From Dex Gutierrez, patanong naman kung nagluluto din siya ng pinekpekan.
No. Magpaliwanag ka. Explain to us.
It's a ritual. It's a ritual. You hit the chicken so it will coagulate the blood. I don't know why, but they do it. It's a religious thing.
You hit the chicken.
Yeah, whilst it's still alive. Maybe baka sumasarap lalo. I don't know.
Okay.
From Laura Angela, Tito Travis, gaano na kayo katagal sa Pilipinas?
Matagal na. It's been too long. I don't want to say it'll make me feel old.
2 months. Okay, Tito has been here.
But
for
I've
2
been
months.
going back and forth for many years. I'll say that. My first time in the Philippines, I was very, very young. It was like early 2000s. Most people don't know that. My first trip to Asia, the first place I went was the Philippines, then Thailand, Korea, Japan, all these different places. But the place I liked the most was here, dito sa Pilipinas. It's my favorite place sa buong Asia.
Next one. Thank you. From Johnny, nakatikim ka na ba ng dalagang manak? Never mind, skip that. From Lenzen.
Bastos.
Bastos ka, bata ka. From Lenzen Banzuela. Pakitanong kay Tito kung ano ang sekretong sangkap ng isang masarap at malilamnam na manak. Adobong manok.
Walang secreto. Just watch the video. It's all there on YouTube.
Just put some love and it's good. No secret ingredient.
Yes.
And lastly, sino mas ducks sa inyong dalawa? Ducks is guwapo in Tagalog. Can you answer that?
Sigurado ka ba? Hindi yata.
No, I tried.
You're not gonna fool me on this one. Nice try though.
Thank you, Tito Travis, again for coming to our channel.
You give me so much nosebleed right now.
You have a few words for sa mga cancer.
My pleasure, and don't worry, no manuks were harmed in the making of this video. Maraming salamat sa lahat. I really appreciate all the love you've been sending sa Facebook page ko, sa YouTube channel ko. It's been great. I hope to entertain you guys a lot more in the future. We have some more good stuff coming up for you.
So how do you feel to be a meme?
I'm having fun with it.
Thank you, Tito.
Huwag nyo kalimutan i-like, share nyo sa mga manak nyong friends, at huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe. Manak expert, at syempre, ako ay Tito nyo. Thank you, Paul. Hanggang sa muli. Ngayong linggo kasama si PaoLUL. I have a little problem saying your name. Sorry about that. It's a tongue twister for me.